What if I told you that a luxury wool coat can begin with something that looks nothing like a luxury product? Raw wool. Rough, tangled, dusty, and completely unfinished, can travel through an extraordinary chain of machines and skilled hands before becoming the soft, perfectly structured coat hanging inside a high-end fashion store. But the transformation is far more fascinating than simply washing and sewing wool. Inside this factory, every fiber matters. Temperature, moisture, softness, color, thickness, and even the direction of individual fibers can affect the final garment. And when you're producing premium wool coats, one small mistake can mean the difference between an ordinary coat and a truly luxurious one. The journey begins with freshly collected raw wool arriving at the processing facility. At this stage, the material still contains natural oils, dust, small plant particles, and other unwanted material picked up during collection. Every batch can look different depending on the animal, the region, the season, and the quality of the fibers. Before the wool can become premium fabric, specialists must determine which fibers are suitable for high-end clothing. Workers carefully examine the incoming wool and separate it according to fiber length, fineness, color, and overall condition. The finest fibers are reserved for premium textile production, while coarser or lower-grade material can be directed toward other applications. This first selection is critical because the quality of the finished coat can never be better than the quality of the fibers used to make it. Once approved, the raw wool enters large industrial cleaning systems. Powerful washing equipment removes dirt, dust, plant particles, and excess natural grease from the fibers. The wool moves through controlled stages of washing and rinsing, with temperature and water flow carefully regulated to protect the delicate fibers. The natural grease, known as lanolin, is separated during processing and can itself become a valuable industrial material. Meanwhile, the cleaned wool continues through controlled drying systems, emerging lighter, cleaner, and ready for the next transformation. But clean wool is still far from fabric. The fibers are tangled together and must first be opened and separated. Large mechanical opening machines gently pull apart compressed masses of wool, transforming them into a more uniform layer of individual fibers. As the fibers move through the preparation line, sophisticated equipment removes remaining unwanted particles while carefully controlling the fiber flow. The goal is to create a consistent material that can be processed without damaging the natural softness that makes fine wool so valuable. Different wool batches can now be blended to achieve specific characteristics. Technicians combine selected fibers according to the desired fineness, strength, color, and softness of the final fabric. This allows manufacturers to create a consistent textile even when natural fibers vary from batch to batch. At the same time, quality control systems continuously monitor the prepared wool. Fiber samples are checked for consistency, contamination, excessive short fibers, and other characteristics that could affect spinning and weaving. Now, the wool reaches one of the most important stages of the entire factory. The prepared fibers must be transformed into continuous yarn. Carding machines carefully align the individual fibers, creating a controlled web of wool. Combing equipment then removes shorter fibers and arranges the remaining fibers more uniformly. What was once a tangled mass of raw wool is now becoming a highly organized textile material. The prepared fibers are gradually drawn thinner and more evenly before entering sophisticated spinning machines. Thousands of fibers are twisted together at carefully controlled speeds, creating strong, fine yarn suitable for premium fabric. And this is where the raw material begins to look completely different. The wool that arrived at the factory as rough, loose fiber has now become continuous yarn with controlled thickness and strength. The yarn is then prepared for weaving or specialized textile production. Automated machines arrange thousands of individual threads into precise patterns, gradually creating large sheets of wool fabric. The speed of these machines is impressive, but speed alone isn't enough. Tension must remain consistent. Thread alignment must remain precise. Even small variations can affect the appearance and strength of the final fabric. As the fabric emerges, technicians inspect its surface for irregularities, loose fibers, uneven density, or weaving defects. For colored coats, the fabric enters controlled dyeing systems where temperature, chemical concentration, and processing time are carefully managed to achieve the desired shade. After dyeing, the fabric undergoes finishing treatments that improve its softness, appearance, stability, and resistance to deformation. Specialized machines brush, press, steam, and condition the fabric until it develops the refined surface expected from premium wool textiles. The transformation is now almost complete, but the fabric still has to become an actual coat. Large rolls of finished wool fabric are delivered to the garment production department. Computer-guided cutting systems map out the individual pieces required for each coat. Front panels, back panels, sleeves, collars, pockets, and lining sections are cut with extreme precision. The cutting layout is optimized to reduce material waste while maintaining the correct grain direction of the wool. Every panel has a specific purpose. Every measurement matters. And every piece must fit the next stage perfectly. The cut panels move to skilled sewing stations where experienced workers begin assembling the garment. Industrial sewing machines create strong, consistent seams while technicians carefully align each panel. Sleeves are attached, collars are constructed, pockets are formed, linings are installed, and the flat pieces gradually become the recognizable shape of a luxury wool coat. At this stage, craftsmanship becomes especially important. Machines provide consistency, but experienced workers can recognize subtle problems in fabric behavior, alignment, stitching, and fit. Once the main construction is complete, each coat enters a specialized pressing and shaping stage. Steam and controlled heat help establish the final structure of the garment. Lapels are shaped, seams are pressed flat, sleeves are formed, and the coat develops the clean silhouette expected from premium fashion. This stage may look simple, but it requires careful control. Too much heat or pressure can damage the wool. Too little can leave the garment without the precise shape required. Now the finished coats enter detailed inspection. High-resolution cameras and trained inspectors examine stitching, seams, fabric surfaces, buttons, zippers, lining, pockets, edges, and overall alignment. Any coat showing unacceptable defects can be separated for correction before packaging. Nothing is supposed to leave the factory without meeting the required quality standards. Despite the sophisticated machinery throughout the facility, skilled professionals remain essential. Technicians monitor production equipment, engineers maintain machines, and quality specialists inspect the finished garments. Machines provide speed and repeatability. Computer systems provide precision and information. But experienced professionals provide judgment. That combination allows the factory to produce large quantities while maintaining the consistency expected from luxury clothing. Once approved, the finished wool coats move into the packaging department. Each garment is carefully folded or placed on a hanger, protected against. Tracking systems record each finished product, while warehouse teams organize coats according to orders and destinations. From there, the coats begin their journey toward luxury stores, fashion retailers, distributors, and customers around the world. And when you look back at the entire journey, the transformation is remarkable. A material that began as rough, tangled raw wool has passed through cleaning, sorting, opening, carding, combing, spinning, weaving, dyeing, finishing, cutting, sewing, pressing, inspection, and packaging. What makes this factory truly fascinating isn't simply the wool. It's the coordination between natural fibers, precision engineering, automation, and human craftsmanship. The next time you see a premium wool coat inside a luxury store, remember that its story began long before it reached the showroom. It began with raw wool and ended with a carefully engineered garment designed to combine warmth, durability, comfort, and luxury. And this is how modern manufacturing transforms raw wool into premium luxury coats from start to finish. If you enjoyed discovering what happens behind the machines, subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more incredible factory processes and the hidden technology behind everyday products.